When we were sent the DX SoC Voltes V for review, I was surprised to receive another box along with it. Hauling it up, I was thinking that maybe the second box contained more accessories or that the Camp Big Falcon base was sold separately, etc, etc. Upon opening the said box, I was met with a ton more items sent over by GreatToys to check out. Inside this package are one robot Damashii Tachicoma action figure from Ghost in the Shell standalone complex, two Gundam Universe action figures being the Tall Geese and Gundam EZ-8, one Sculptures figure Colosseum Monkey D. Luffy statue from One Piece, one Dragon Ball Legends collab trunk statue, two QPosket alternate colored Android 18 statues from Dragon Ball Z, and last but not least, one S Presto Point Asuna statue from Sword Art Online Alicization Lycoris. I'm still going through half of the first box that they sent over, but I'll do my best to get videos done on all of these items as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel to catch those videos the moment they go up. This has been Migoy from Too Much Gaming, and I'll see you next time.